Dry, sunny and very warm today. It could even be a record-breaking Bank Holiday Monday. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up. Well, good morning, Britain.
Monday, 25th Oakley.
Great. And actually, it could be short shorts, OK? It is short shorts weather, let me tell you that. It actually could be record-breakingly warm for our bank holiday, and I'm going to tell you why. It is down to the hurricane. Remember we talked about the hurricane across the other side of the Atlantic that brought very stormy seas there, Hurricane Erin. Well, it sits out to our west. This is a very cool satellite picture. This spiral of cloud here is our ex-hurricane, but what it does is it brings warm air up from the near continent. So these are the highest temperatures England, Wales and Northern Ireland have seen for this August bank holiday, and Wales and Northern Ireland look like we are set to break those records. So today is warm, actually hot for some, but then it's all changed because as the remnants of the ex-hurricane move across our shores through the rest of the week, it turns very windy, very stormy out towards the west, and for the first time ever, I don't think I've ever had these on my charts before, rough seas. We could see waves of up to 10 feet high. But let's deal with today, and anybody who wants to head out in short shorts, it is perfect weather for it. Plenty of sunshine, very warm for many of us, but it does turn wetter and windier in the west later as the remnants of that ex-hurricane move in. So this is the low pressure here behind me. Good morning to you. It is a bank holiday Monday for some of us, and it could be record-breakingly warm, and it is down to the remnants of ex-Hurricane Erin that brought very stormy conditions across eastern parts of America. This is a satellite showing the spiral of clouds sitting to our west, and what it does is it brings up very warm air, and this dominates for the next 7 days. So let's take a look at our outlook as we head through the rest of the week. So we divide the country in half. Scotland, Northern Ireland, the northern areas of England, looking at our temperatures compared to where they should be for the time of year. First off, temperatures are above average. It is very warm, hot for some today. Temperatures moderate, and then it turns cool as we head into the weekend. See, I said there was a big change coming. And you can see from the weather symbols, another change. Today is largely fine and dry, but then tomorrow onwards, it turns wetter and windier with these showers and spells of rain, thanks to this Atlantic weather front moving in from the west. So let's look at our fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, starting with our temperatures, and they are way above our average, moderating back to average, maybe even below by the weekend. Percentage chance of rainfall. It is fine and dry while the remnants of the hurricane stay out to the west for today, but as the remnants move through for the rest of the week, it is turning increasingly unsettled. Yes, it's often very likely to rain on a bank holiday, but today, incredibly, it is dry, not just dry, sunny and very warm. Here's the reason why. Low pressure sits out to our west. This is the remnants of ex-Hurricane Erin. Warm air's moving its way up from the south. That's what we're having. Good morning to you. It is a bank holiday Monday for some of us, and you know what? Incredibly, the weather is actually looking fine and dry, and actually pretty warm. Low pressure sits to our west. That's the remnants of ex-Hurricane Erin last week that brought very stormy conditions along that eastern seaboard.
Richard Madeley.
Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Today is a bank holiday Monday for some, and incredibly, the weather is dry, sunny and very warm, potentially record-breakingly warm for today. First thing, Scotland, England and Wales start off with blue skies, and it stays that way throughout the afternoon. Northern Ireland, sunny this morning, clouding over this afternoon with some showers and turning increasingly breezy. Top temperatures widely in the mid to high 30s, potentially up to 30 degrees Celsius. And across Wales, we're forecasting 28 degrees. It could be their warmest bank holiday Monday in August ever recorded.